What the brap is up, everybody? Going for a little ride. Just gonna go on a little route that we used to take the past couple summers when I was riding with the wife. Just turn on these hands. So I hope you're all doing well, avoiding the terrible virus and lack of toilet paper. If you have not yet, check out Dirty Tires video on TP. It's pretty funny, but it's actually kind of true at the same time. It's just a 3-minute little video. I watched it last night. Gave me a good chuckle. You gotta keep your sense of humor in this time of pandemic panic. Anyway, we're out on the 701. Gonna go up just kind of close to the mountains. It's getting late in the evening. Do a little check, see if the microphone is working. Trying to get the camera and the microphone dialed in on the ADV helmet so that we can do some vlogging this year. Just got back yesterday from doing a moto camp, the first one of 2020, baby. Had a viewer slash friend that I met from YouTube, Facebook, and racing. He had an Africa Twin that he just decked out and wanted to do a shakedown moto camp, so we went and did it.
How's it going?
Good. How you doing?
Cold, I made it though.
Yeah,
I didn't expect it to be that cold going across. And the fog wouldn't break.
That's terrible.
Well, it started snowing on top of Daniel. It's been a cold ride, but it should warm up from here.
Yeah. Can't get any worse. I'll have that video up hopefully by Friday, but don't hold me to it. It'll probably be Saturday or Sunday. And I got the heated vest on, heated gloves. Trying these babies out again. Last time I had the heated vest on was coming home from Arizona in literally 9 degrees Fahrenheit. That was a cold son of a beep. Anyway, I got a lot of plans for this coming summer and the YouTube channel. I'm gonna get out and try and moto camp with as many of you as possible. So if it's your first time moto camping, you want somebody to do it with, send me a message. Who knows? You never know. I'm kind of crazy, and if I can make it happen, I certainly will. Got to play the balancing act, keep the wife and kids happy, and the wallet happy, and myself happy, and all of you guys happy. No worries. I'm sure it'll all work out just fine. It's sure cold, but look how pretty it is. It's a lot prettier probably from wherever you're watching this. Your car, your couch, bed. If you're inside and it's warm, it probably looks prettier to you than it does to me. Thanks for coming along for the ride. And thank you for all the support, everybody. I surely appreciate it. Just don't forget to smile, everyone. And if you get a chance, hop on your motorcycle and ride, baby, ride. I like how they're talking about the mental health aspect of being isolated and social distancing and all this stuff that we're going through right now. I keep joking, but I'm actually kind of serious. Maybe more serious than joking. I've been practicing social distancing for pretty much my whole life. It's amazing what social anxiety will do, see? Never thought it'd work out in my favor. But at the same time, I've been growing and changing a lot. I've been meeting people last year. I met Tim Collins. That was awesome. Met him a few times. Did some things that I never would have thought I would do, since I was pretty much just a shut-in hermit. Definitely got out of the house and then started making some videos. Some people hit me up, want a moto camp. Got another one coming up 2 weekends that I'm excited about. It's been in the works for probably 6 months or more. Just hadn't worked out, so looking forward to that. And like I was telling you before, I just got done with one with a new friend who is a local from Utah, lives about 3 hours from me. We met up and went and braved, we met up and went and braved the 28-degree night right by a reservoir. It was beautiful. Did some riding, cooked some Mountain House, had some Keiko coffee. It was his first time trying that. He actually sells coffee, and he really liked it. So I kind of figured most people that try it really like it. Seriously, love that damn Keiko Nanopresso. Probably use it every day. Yeah, we're gonna have to speed a little bit. Sorry about that. This is just a beautiful little ride. I usually take the wife on after she's done working, and if we don't have enough time to really go anywhere else, this is a good little go-to. Down in here is horse riding trails. I've always wanted to take a dirt bike down in there. You're not supposed to, but it's pretty much single track, so it would be awesome. Who knows? Stick around, keep watching my videos. You just might see it happen. Alright, well, I'm going to stop talking, and we're going to probably do this in double time speed. What a view, huh? So I decided we're gonna go for another little ride. Just get a little bit closer to the mountains. Hopefully you guys all enjoy this view. A little rock along, baby. Thank you all for coming along with the ride. I hope you all have a good week. Stay healthy. Get out, get a ride. Tell your family you love them. Spend some time together. Play some video games. Watch all of my videos. That'd be a great family thing to do. Most of them. Just kidding. No, I'm not. Seriously. Binge watch my channel and Tim's channel and Dirty Tires. And go see Chappie. We're right on 2. And then after you get done with that, Matty Outdoors and Justin. I got some great lightweight camping gear and food, etc. Anyway, I'm gonna sign off and listen to my Motorcycle Man song. Peace out, y'all. Stay safe and come join the adventure, baby.